Hello and welcome. I'm Prof. Roshan Ragel from the Department of Computer Engineering at the University of Peradeniya. I also serve as the Director of the Staff Development Center here at the University and the CEO of Lanka Education and Research Network, the National Research and Education Network. Today, I want to talk to you all about a topic that's shaping the future of academia and innovation and discovery. Orchestrating discovery, how generative AI redefines research. Research has always meant to be persistent. Long hours of reading, connecting dots, and slow progress. But now, a new force of changing the journey, generative artificial intelligence. And this isn't just disrupting, it's enhancing and it's also empowering. AI helps us explore fast ideas, spot patterns we might miss, and even ask questions we never thought of asking. Think about this. AI is projected to add over $20 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Generative AI alone will add about $5 trillion every year. That is more than 50 times of Sri Lanka's GDP. That's the scale of impact we are talking about. Now let's look at research cycle. Where does AI or generative AI fits in? If you take planning and ideation, tools like Elicit and connected papers redefine questions and highlighting gaps. If you take literature review, with millions of papers published every year, no one can keep up. AI summarizes, organizes, and uncovers hidden links. If you take data and analysis, cleaning datasets, generating code, even producing synthetic data, AI speeds up the technical parts. So researchers can focus on meaning. If you take writing and synthesis, for writing draft proposals, for improving clarity, for acting as an editor and collaborator, AI is there. Just remember, AI is a co-pilot, not the driver. Human judgment is still at the heart of good research that we envision to do. With these opportunities come a number of challenges. One, hallucinations. AI can create convincing but false information. Another one, bias. If the data is biased, the output will be biased too. One more is ethics and the privacy. Feeding sensitive data into AI risk our confidentiality. One more is outdated knowledge. AI reflects its training data, which may not always be current. This is why it's critical to evaluate what AI is producing. The role of researcher is expanding now to verify, to validate, and to apply AI insight responsibly. So, how do we use generative AI wisely? Be purposeful. Know why you are using it. For ideas, productivity, or summarization, you better craft better prompts. Clear prompts being better results. They'll also prompting is now a research skill. Verify rigorously. Always check outputs against trusted sources. Disclose the use of AI. Be transparent if AI supported your work. Stay ethical. Never feed confidential and copyrighted material into AI tools. This way, you can always stay ahead of the crowd. We are entering an era where research is not just about human persistence, but about human AI collaboration. As Fei-Fei Li once said, AI won't replace humans, but humans using AI will. Generative AI is not here to do the work for us. It is here to orchestrate discovery, to amplify human potential, to redefine knowledge. Thank you for joining me. I am Professor Roshan Ragel, and I look forward to continuing this conversation about the future of research and discovery with you all. Thank you.